In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to build this outdoor weatherproof table for under $150 using basic woodworking skills and these three simple tools. Now the legs are made of 2x4s that I painted white. The top is made of Brazilian Ipe wood to give it a high-end look, and I put adjustable feet on the bottom so it keeps the legs weatherproof and also allows adjustability. All the products used are in the description below, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's the raw material that I'm going to be using for my outdoor table. I'm using 5 planks of 1x6 Ipe wood. I also sourced these stainless steel screws, 316 from McMaster-Carr. They'll be in the link below. And I also going to use 4 2x4s for the legs and the base of the table. Now that I have the 2x4s all cut for the frame and legs, I'm going to hit it with this jitterbug sander just to knock off the burrs and get nice rounded edges on them. Before I put the decorative top on, I wanted to show you the frame of the table. The frame of the table is simply made of all 2x4s, which I cut straight and then screwed together. I screwed the legs on the outside, I put a center stiffener, and then I painted it white. And I also put these adjustable feet on the bottom of each leg. Adding the Ipe oil really makes the boards a lot darker. To assemble the top to the frame, I simply spread the 5 1x6 boards out evenly. I cut up a paint stick to use as a spacer between each board, and then I countersunk these 316 weatherproof screws into the boards and secured them to the table's frame. I had these leftover chairs from an old patio set, so I designed the table to make sure that the chairs tuck underneath the table. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel.